a person who is fit for the job should be taken. And first, jobs पड़े हैं ते procedure रहा. They have to be posts have to be created, then advertised. There is a procedure. आता ये job दियो. Now I want to remind the BJP government that Manor Parrikar had complained when during our government in 2012. We are filing a similar complaint. We are looking into options of filing a similar complaint. We are even looking into options of going to High Court on this matter. Because time and again the issue comes, we are going to give jobs.
Senior Rane म्हणता आपण काँग्रेस सोडटा म्हणता ती अफवा.
Me in the papers that I am going to resign and join some party and all that sort of thing. I don't want to name the media, but respectable media should have some credibility, and therefore they should consult the concerned person about whom they write. I am not going anywhere. I am very much a part of this party and I remain here, come what may. I am not going anywhere. I am in the Congress party and I remain where I am.
Video conferencing appointment मागतेला तुम्ही जर शक्य आहे ना
100%. We will ask for a video conferencing appointment with the Chief Minister of Goa.
Meeting the
like how he had the same conference, same appointment for the IPP board in the similar manner.
प्रुडंटा खाते सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी.